Civil hydraulic. Complex Co. John Gorton Building hydraulic and intersection works. The John Gorton Building project involves significant civil and stormwater construction work, including the demolition of an existing open-air car park and the construction of a new multi-storey car park. Complex Co. was responsible for the civil works, including removing old stormwater components and installing a new, large-diameter stormwater network. This upgrade was essential for transforming the Kings Avenue Blackall Street intersection into a four-way signalised intersection, ultimately providing over 1,000 new car parking spaces. Complex Co. successfully navigated the challenges of the project without disrupting bus schedules or emergency services, a testament to their meticulous project planning and execution. Congratulations, Complex Co.